Time. Landing runway 2, departing runway 2, advise on initial contact, you have information Oscar. Christchurch Airport, ATIS information Oscar, time 1542 Zulu, wind 060 at 9, visibility 21, temperature 12, dew point 9, QNH 1010. Remarks, no pattern work allowed, expect long taxi times, no light aircraft accepted at this time. Landing runway 2, departing runway 2, advise on initial contact, you have information Oscar. Christchurch Airport, ATIS information Oscar, time 1542 Zulu, wind 060 at 9, visibility 21, temperature 12, dew point 9, QNH 1010. Remarks, no pattern work allowed, expect long taxi times, no light aircraft accepted at this time. Landing runway 2, departing runway 2, advise on initial contact, you have information Oscar. Christchurch Airport, ATIS information Oscar, time 1542 Zulu, wind 060 at 9, visibility 21, temperature 12, dew point 9, QNH 1010. Remarks, no pattern work allowed, expect long taxi times, no. Crossing runway 29, Hotel Romeo Mike Foxtrot Mike. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 582, ready for pushback with information Oscar. New Zealand 582, hold position. Holding position, New Zealand 582. Christchurch ground, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, ready to taxi to runway 2 with information Oscar. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 2, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Holding position, New Zealand 688. New Zealand 688, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 2, New Zealand 688. New Zealand 688, cross runway 29. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, cross runway 29. Crossing runway 29, New Zealand 688. Crossing runway 29, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 582, ready for pushback with information Oscar. New Zealand 582, pushback approved. Pushback approved, New Zealand 582. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 243, ready to taxi with information Oscar. New Zealand 243, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 2, New Zealand 243. New Zealand 243, give way to aircraft ahead. Give way to aircraft, New Zealand 243. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 582.
Christchurch ground.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, hold position. Taxiing to runway 2, New Zealand 582.
Holding position, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Christchurch ground, Jetstar 226, ready for pushback with information Oscar. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, pushback approved. Jetstar 226, hold position. Holding position, Jetstar 226. New Zealand 582, cross runway 29. New Zealand 243, cross runway 29. Crossing runway
Pushback approved, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 817, ready for pushback with information Oscar.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 102, ready for pushback with information Oscar, requesting runway 2.
New Zealand 817, hold position. New Zealand 102, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, New Zealand 102.
Jetstar 226, pushback approved. Holding position, New Zealand 817. Pushback approved, Jetstar 226.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 102, ready for taxi to runway 2 with information Oscar.
New Zealand 102, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 2, New Zealand 102.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 25, ready for pushback with information Oscar. New Zealand 25, pushback approved. Pushback approved, New Zealand 25. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 1, ready for pushback with information Oscar. New Zealand 1, hold position. Holding position, New Zealand 1. Christchurch ground, Jetstar 226, ready for taxi with information Oscar. Jetstar 226, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 2, Jetstar 226. Jetstar 226, give way to aircraft on your left. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 7586, ready for pushback with information Oscar. New Zealand 7586, pushback approved. Pushback approved, New Zealand 7586. New Zealand 102, cross runway 29.
Crossing runway 29, New Zealand 102.
Give way to aircraft, Jetstar 226. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 817, ready for pushback with information Oscar.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 737 Victor.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, give way to aircraft ahead. New Zealand 25, taxi to runway 2.
give way to aircraft, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Christchurch ground, Oscar 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 Lima India Heavy, ready for taxi with information Oscar.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 1, ready for pushback with information Oscar. Oscar 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 Lima India Heavy, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. New Zealand 1, hold position.
Taxiing to runway 2, Oscar 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 Lima India Heavy.
Holding position, New Zealand 1. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 817, ready to taxi with information Oscar. New Zealand 817, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 7586, ready to taxi with information Oscar. Taxiing to runway 2, New Zealand 817. New Zealand 817, cross runway 29. New Zealand 7586, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, cross runway 29. Crossing runway 29, New Zealand 7.
Crossing runway 29, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Christchurch ground, Emirates 412 Super, request taxi to gate 29 at the international terminal.
Emirates 412 Super, taxi to parking at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, Emirates 412 Super.
New Zealand 1, pushback approved. Pushback approved, New Zealand 1. Emirates 412 Super, give way to aircraft ahead.
Give way to aircraft, Emirates 412 Super.
Christchurch ground, Saudia 296, ready for pushback with information Oscar. Saudia 296, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Saudia 296. New Zealand 25, request permission to cross runway 29. Thank you, good day, New Zealand 7586. New Zealand 25, cross runway 29. Crossing runway 29, New Zealand 25.
Oscar Lima India Heavy, request permission to cross runway 29.
Oscar Lima India Heavy, cross runway 29.
Crossing runway 29, Oscar Lima India Heavy.
Thank you, good day, Emirates 412 Super.
Christchurch ground, New Zealand 1, ready to taxi with information Oscar. Christchurch ground, New Zealand 325 Heavy, request taxi to parking. Christchurch ground, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, ready for pushback with information Oscar. Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1. New Zealand 325 Heavy, taxi to parking at your discretion. New Zealand 325 Heavy, hold position. Holding position, New Zealand 325 Heavy. New Zealand 1, hold position. Christchurch ground, Fiji 222 Heavy, ready for pushback with information Oscar. Holding position, New Zealand 1. Fiji 222 Heavy, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Fiji 222 Heavy. Christchurch ground, November 30 Mike X-ray, ready for pushback with information Oscar, requesting runway 2. November 30 Mike X-ray, pushback approved. Pushback approved, November 30 Mike X-ray. Christchurch ground, November 30 Mike X-ray, ready to taxi to runway 2 with information Oscar. November 30 Mike X-ray, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 2, November 30 Mike X-ray. Christchurch ground, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, ready to taxi with information Oscar. Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 2, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1. November 30 Mike X-ray, give way to aircraft on your right. Give way to aircraft, November 30 Mike X-ray. Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, cross runway 29. Crossing runway 29, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1. November 30 Mike X-ray, cross runway 29. Christchurch ground, Saudia 296, ready to taxi with information Oscar. Crossing runway 29, November 30 Mike X-ray. Saudia 296, taxi to runway 2, contact tower when ready. New Zealand 325 Heavy, continue taxi. Taxiing to Christchurch ground, Fiji 222 Heavy, ready to taxi with information Oscar. Christchurch Tower, New Zealand 817, ready for departure at runway 2, departing straight out.
Christchurch Tower, Oscar Lima India Heavy, ready for departure at runway 2, departing straight out.
New Zealand 817, hold short of runway 2. Oscar Lima India Heavy, hold short of runway 2. Holding short runway 2, New Zealand 817.
Holding short runway 2, Oscar Lima India Heavy.
Christchurch Tower, November 30 Mike X-ray, ready for departure at runway 2, departing straight out. November 30 Mike X-ray, your number 7 for departure. New Zealand 817, line up and wait runway 2. Roger, November 30 Mike X-ray. Line up and wait runway 2, New Zealand 817. Sounds Air 651, continue straight ahead. Continuing ahead, Sounds Air 651. Sounds Air 651, contact Christchurch ground on 121.9er. Contacting Christchurch ground on 121.9er, Sounds Air 651. Jetstar 226, contact Christchurch approach on 126.1. Contacting Christchurch approach on 126.1, Jetstar 226. Christchurch Tower, Saudia 296, ready for departure at runway 2, departing straight out. New Zealand 817, line 020 at 8, runway 2, cleared for takeoff. Saudia 296, hold short of runway 2. Holding short runway 2, Saudia 296. Cleared for takeoff, runway 2, New Zealand 817. Christchurch Tower, New Zealand 7586, ready for departure at runway 2, departing north. New Zealand 7586, line up and wait runway 2. Line up and wait runway 2, New Zealand 7586. New Zealand 817, contact Christchurch approach on 126.1. Contacting Christchurch approach on 126.1, New Zealand 817. New Zealand 7586. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, line up and wait runway 2.
Line up and wait runway 2, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 2, New Zealand 7586. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, wind 030 at 8, runway 2, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 2, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
New Zealand 7586, thank you, good day. New Zealand 7586, contact Christchurch approach on 126.1. Contacting Christchurch approach on 126.1, New Zealand 7586. Christchurch Tower, New Zealand 25, ready for departure at runway 2, departing north. New Zealand 25, line up and wait runway 2. Line up and wait runway 2, New Zealand 25.
Christchurch Tower, Air Mauritius 1, inbound on the visual runway 2.
Air Mauritius 1, number 1, runway 2, cleared to land. Christchurch Tower, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, ready for departure at runway 2, departing north.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 2, Air Mauritius 1.
Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1, line up and wait runway 2. Line up and wait runway 2, Hotel Zulu Victor India Papa 1. Christchurch Tower, Delta Tango Hotel Alpha November, ready for departure in sequence at runway 2. Tango X-ray Heavy, increase speed to 230 knots. November 13 Whiskey X-ray, contact the Newarpie traffic on 134.5. Lufthansa Cargo 1240, say intentions. Turn right heading 320, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. New Zealand 0519 heading, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. New Zealand 528, turn left heading 050.
Do not exceed 220 knots. Reunion 214 Tango X-ray Heavy.
New Zealand 688, do not exceed 230 knots. New Zealand 159 Victor Alpha heading, turn right heading 190.
Turn right heading 190. New Zealand 159 Victor Alpha Heavy.
Request diversion, do not exceed 230 knots. New Zealand 688. Lufthansa Cargo 1240, resume own navigation. Air China 2231 heading, turn left heading 050. Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heading, descend and maintain 8000. Turn left heading 050, Air China 2231 heading. New Zealand 933, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Auckland approach, New Zealand 4 heading, with you at 11,000. New Zealand 528, turn right heading 140. Air China 805, turn right heading 250. Turn right heading 140, New Zealand 528. New Zealand 4 heading, turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 9000.
Turn right heading 250, Air China 805.
Turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 9000, New Zealand 4 heading. New Zealand 159 Victor Alpha heading, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 4000, New Zealand 159 Victor Alpha Heavy.
Executing this approach, turn left heading 050, climb and maintain 4000, American 328 Heavy.
Unit 179 Kilo Delta, turn right heading 060.
Turn right heading 060, Unit 179 Kilo Delta.
Jetstar 226, turn right heading 320. Auckland approach, New Zealand 7586, with you at 8000. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, do not exceed 220 knots. Fin F41, turn right heading 140. Do not exceed 220 knots, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Turn right heading 140, Fin F41. Air China 805, turn left heading 230. New Zealand 528, do not exceed 220 knots. Turn right heading 320, Jetstar 226. New Zealand 7586, turn left heading 300, climb and maintain 9000. New Zealand 688, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000. New Zealand 5 heavy, turn left heading 200. New Zealand 159 Victor Alpha heavy, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Air China 805, maintain 5000. Auckland approach, Air Calum 410, with you at 17,100. New Zealand 528, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 5000. Air Calum 410, turn right heading. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, turn right heading 320.
Turn right heading 320, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading.
Lufthansa Cargo 1240, frequency change approved, good day. American 328 heavy, turn left heading 280.
Turn left heading 280, American 328 Heavy.
In F41, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 6000. New Zealand 528, turn right heading 240. Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 6000, in F41. Air China 805, increase speed to 230 knots. New Zealand 688, turn left heading 050. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, descend and maintain 8000.
Descend and maintain 8000, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading.
New Zealand 124, turn right heading 140. Do not exceed 230 knots, New Zealand 4 heavy. American 328 heavy, turn left heading 260.
Turn right heading 140, New Zealand 124.
New Zealand 528, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Turn left heading 260, American 328 Heavy.
Frequency change approved, Lufthansa Cargo 1240, good day. Descend and maintain 8000, Jetstar 226. Reduce speed to 200 knots, New Zealand 528. Air China 805, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. American 328 heavy, turn left heading 230. New Zealand 1523, turn right heading 190.
Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, Air China 805.
Turn left heading 230, American 328 Heavy.
Turn right heading 190, New Zealand 1523. I'm sorry, New Zealand 7586. New Zealand 5 heavy, turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 7000, New Zealand 5 heavy. Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, turn right heading 320. New Zealand 678 heavy, turn right heading 140.
Turn right heading 320, Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel.
New Zealand 1523, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 4000. American 328 heavy, contact Auckland approach on 124. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy, do not exceed 220.
Do not exceed 220 knots, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy.
New Zealand 4 heavy, turn left heading 170, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 170, descend and maintain 7000, New Zealand 4 heavy. New Zealand 5 heavy, turn left heading 050, turn right heading 070, descend and maintain 6000, Jetstar 226. Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy, turn right heading 140, descend and maintain 6000. Turn left heading 050, New Zealand 5 heavy. Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, New Zealand 528. New Zealand 124, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 5000.
Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 5000, New Zealand 124.
Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy, turn right heading. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000.
Do not exceed.
Turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading.
Turn left heading 020, descend and maintain 7000, Air Cannon 410. New Zealand 124, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. New Zealand 124, turn left heading 060, descend and maintain 8000.
Roger. New Zealand 124.
Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, descend and maintain 8000. New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor, descend and maintain 8000. Fin F41, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Descend and maintain 8000, New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor. Jetstar 226, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 6000. New Zealand 4 heavy, turn left heading 140, climb and maintain 8000. Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 6000, Jetstar 226. Turn left heading 140, climb and maintain 8000, New Zealand 4 heavy. New Zealand 124, descend and maintain 9000. BG222 heavy, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. Air China 2231 heavy, turn right heading 140. New Zealand 124, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 190, Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy.
Turn left heading 070, New Zealand 4 heavy. New Zealand 678 heavy, turn right heading 230. Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy, descend and maintain 5000.
Turn right heading 230, New Zealand 678 heavy.
Descend and maintain 5000, Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy.
Jetstar 226, do not exceed 210 knots. Air Cannon 410, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000. Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, turn right heading 330. Turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000, Air Cannon 410. New Zealand 124, turn left heading 040. New Zealand 4 heavy, descend and maintain 7000. BG222 heavy is 10 nautical miles north of Raglan at 8,700 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Auckland International. BG222 heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy, turn right heading 230. New Zealand 678 heavy, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 230, Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy.
New Zealand 4 heavy, turn left heading 050. Turn left heading 050, New Zealand 4 heavy. Air China 2231 heavy, turn right heading 180, descend and maintain 4500. Q-Link 179 Kilo Delta, turn right heading 140.
Turn right heading 140, Q-Link 179 Kilo Delta.
Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. New Zealand 678 heavy, do not exceed 210 knots.
Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heavy.
Do not exceed 210 knots, New Zealand 678 heavy.
Qantas 3212 Super, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. Air China 2231 heavy, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 4000. Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 4000, Air China 2231 heavy. Qantas 3212 Super, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy, climb and maintain 7000.
Climb and maintain 7000, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy.
Roger, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee. Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee, turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 10,000. Turn left heading 360, descend and maintain 10,000, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee. New Zealand 678 heavy, contact Auckland approach on 124.3.
Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, New Zealand 678 heavy.
Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, turn right heading 350.
Turn right heading 350, Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel.
Q-Link 179 Kilo Delta, turn right heading 180. New Zealand 5 heavy, turn right heading 140.
Turn right heading 180, Q-Link 179 Kilo Delta.
Turn right heading 140, New Zealand 5 heavy. Cathay 926, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. TAM 827, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. TAM 827 is 8 nautical miles north of Raglan at 18,600 feet, requesting visual approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Turn right heading 330, New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Reduce speed to 200 knots, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heavy.
turn right heading 330, New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor. Reduce speed to 200 knots, dead star 226. TAM 827, do not exceed 250 knots. Reduce speed to 200 knots, Air Callan 410. New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor, requesting descent to 4000. Do not exceed 250 knots, TAM 827. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, turn right heading 140. New Zealand 688, turn right heading 170. Turn right heading 140, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Turn right heading 170, New Zealand 688. New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor, maintain 8000. Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, turn right heading 010, descend and maintain 6000. New Zealand 124, do not exceed 230 knots.
Turn right heading 010, descend and maintain 6000, Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel.
New Zealand 124, descend and maintain 7000. Cathay 926, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. Victor November Alpha 234, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 4000, New Zealand 688.
Cathay 926 is 9 nautical miles northeast of Raglan at 12,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International.
Turn right heading 050, New Zealand 124.
Roger, Cathay 926.
Air India 178, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International.
Turn right heading 020, climb and maintain 9000, Air India 178.
New Zealand 688, turn right heading 240. Turn right heading 140, New Zealand 4 heading. Turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 5000, New Zealand 5 heading. TAM 827, turn right heading 320. Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, turn right heading 070.
Turn right heading 070, Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel.
Do not exceed 220 knots, New Zealand 124.
Link 179 Kilo Delta, contact Auckland approach on 124.3.
Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, Link 179 Kilo Delta.
India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, turn right heading 230. Turn right heading 230, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. New Zealand 688, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, New Zealand 688. Jetstar 226, turn right heading 140. Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel, turn left heading 050. New Zealand 865 Bravo Victor, do not exceed 220 knots. Victor November Alpha 234, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 8000.
Turn left heading 050, Hotel Bravo Golf Hotel Hotel.
Executing missed approach, American 328 heavy.
Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee, turn left heading 300, descend and maintain 9000. Turn left heading 300, descend and maintain 9000, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee. Air India 178, turn left heading 360. American 328 heavy, execute missed approach, turn left heading 050, line and maintain 5000. Descend and maintain 4000, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Turn left heading 230, New Zealand 5 heavy. Auckland approach, United 66, with you at 17,000. United 66, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. United 66, turn right heading 020, descend and maintain 10,000. New Zealand 4 heavy, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 6,000. Turn right heading 230. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, turn right heading 140. Do not exceed.
Turn right heading 140, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading.
New Zealand 4 heading, do not exceed 200 knots. Do not exceed 200 knots, New Zealand 4 heading. Qantas 3212 Super, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000. Turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 6000, Qantas 3212 Super. American 328 Heavy, turn left heading 270. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, contact Auckland approach on 124.3.
Turn left heading 270, American 328 heavy.
Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Air India 178, turn left heading 320, descend and maintain 8000. United 66, do not exceed 250 knots.
Turn left heading 320, descend and maintain 8000, Air India 178.
Jetstar 226, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 5000. Auckland approach, New Zealand 1318, with you at 25,000. New Zealand 1318, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 11,000, New Zealand 1318. Fiji 222 heavy, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 7000. turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 7000, PG 222 heading. November 25 Victor Juliet is 8 nautical miles southwest of Kitty Hangar at 11,400 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Auckland International. November 25 Victor Juliet, turn right heading 230, descend and maintain 9000. Auckland approach, Qantas 141 heading, with you at 11,200. Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee, turn left heading 240. Turn left heading 240, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, turn right heading 190, descend and maintain 4000.
Turn right heading 190, descend and maintain 4000, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading.
New Zealand 8898 is 29 nautical miles west of Raglan at 19,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Descend and maintain 4000, New Zealand 4 heading. New Zealand 8898, expect sectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. New Zealand 8898, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 10,000. Roger, New Zealand 8898, turn right heading 050, descend and maintain 10,000, New Zealand 8898. Air India 178, turn left heading 250.
Turn left heading 250.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, turn right heading 230.
Turn right heading 230, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading.
American 328 heading, turn left heading 230. New Zealand 4 heading, turn left heading 230. Turn left heading 230, New Zealand 4 heading. American 328 heading, please follow instructions. Auckland approach, Swiss 963, with you at 3,700. American 328 heading, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Swiss 963, radar contact.
Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, American 328 heading.
Swiss 963, frequency change approved, good day. Frequency change approved, Swiss 963, good day. Victor November Alpha 234, turn right heading 320. New Zealand 688, you're in an active airspace, please contact Auckland approach on 120.1. Auckland approach, New Zealand 5 heading, with you at 5,000. Auckland approach, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, with you at 4,000. New Zealand 5 heading, turn left heading 230. United 66, turn left heading 240. Turn left heading 240, United 66. Turn left heading 230, New Zealand 5 heading. New Zealand 1318, do not exceed 250 knots. Do not exceed 250 knots, New Zealand 1318. New Zealand 5 heading, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, New Zealand 5 heading. American 328 heading, do not exceed 200 knots. New Zealand 124, turn right heading 140. Turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000, New Zealand 688. Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee, turn right heading 320, descend and maintain 8000. Thank you, good day, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. Do not exceed 230 knots, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee. Turn right heading 320, New Zealand 1318.
Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heading at 1 nautical miles east of Auckland International at 1,900 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International.
Air Callan 410, turn right heading 230. Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, New Zealand 4 heading. Reunion 214 Tango X-ray heading, execute missed approach, turn left heading 050, climb and maintain 5,000. New Zealand 688, turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 3,000, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. Victor November Alpha 234, turn right heading 360. New Zealand 8898, turn left heading 320. Turn right heading 360, Victor November Alpha 234. Turn left heading 320, New Zealand 8898. Jetstar 226, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Air Callan 410, increase speed to 220 knots. Increase speed to 220 knots, Air Callan 410. PG 222 heading, do not exceed 220 knots. Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, Jetstar 226. Do not exceed 220 knots, PG 222 heading. Qantas 3212 Super, turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 6000. Turn left heading 270, descend and maintain 6000, Qantas 3212 Super. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Do not exceed 2.
Auckland approach, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf heading, with you at 4000.
India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000. JetBlue 1009, due to heavy traffic, destination airport is not accepting incoming traffic at this time.
Cathay 627 heading is 13 nautical miles west of Dargaville at 16,500 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 5 right at Auckland International. Turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo. JetBlue 1009 is 3 nautical miles northeast of Ardmore Aerodrome at 3,000 feet, flying VFR. Proceed on course, JetBlue 1009.
JetBlue 1009, turn right heading 100, descend and maintain 3000.
Turn right heading 100, descend and maintain 3000, JetBlue 1009.
JetBlue 1009, maintain 5000.
Maintain 5000, JetBlue 1009.
American 328 Heavy, turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000. JetBlue 1009, resume mode navigation.
Turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000, American 328 Heavy.
Resume mode navigation, JetBlue 1009. Auckland approach, Air Callan 410, review at 4000.
India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. American 328 Heavy, reduce speed to 190 knots. Air Callan 410, radar contact.
Turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo.
Reduce speed to 190 knots, American 328 Heavy.
Auckland approach, Delta 65 Heavy, review at 14,300. Auckland approach, Cathay 784 Heavy, review at 1200.
Delta 65 Heavy, contact Auckland approach on 120.1.
Contacting Auckland approach on 120.1, Delta 65 Heavy.
Cathay 627 Heavy, please follow instructions. Cathay 784 Heavy, radar contact. New Zealand 5 Heavy, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, New Zealand 5 Heavy.
American 328 Heavy, turn left heading 070, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. New Zealand 4 Heavy, turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000. India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final.
Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo.
Auckland approach, New Zealand 124, review at 5000.
Turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, American 328 Heavy.
India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo.
Auckland approach, 4 Oscar Mike Alpha November, review at 1300.
Thank you, good day, India Foxtrot Juliet Alpha Romeo.
New Zealand 4 Heavy, turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. 4 Oscar Mike Alpha November, radar contact. American 328 Heavy, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7. Star 226, turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 4000.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, American 328 Heavy.
Turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 4000, Jetstar 226.
Flex Bay 2046, due to heavy traffic, destination airport is not accepting incoming traffic at this time. Jetstar 226, reduce speed to 190 knots. New Zealand 4 Heavy, contact Auckland Tower on 118. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 5 right.
Roger, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Roger, Air Callan 410.
Jetstar 226, turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach.
Turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 3000.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000.
Turn left heading 140, descend and maintain 3000, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Jetstar 226, please expedite altitude change. New Zealand 124, increase speed to 220 knots. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach.
Turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Jetstar 226, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, Jetstar 226.
Cathay 784 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Air Callan 410, turn left heading 110.
Turn left heading 110, Air Callan 410.
Air Callan 410, reduce speed to 190 knots.
Reduce speed to 190 knots, Air Callan 410.
New Zealand 124, turn left heading 140. Turn left heading 140, New Zealand 124. Air Callan 410, turn left heading 080, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 5 right approach. New Zealand 124, reduce speed to 190 knots. Reduce speed to 19. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Sierra Uniform November Whiskey Quebec, contact Auckland approach on 124.3. Wilco, New Zealand 4 Heavy. Contacting Auckland approach on 124.3, Sierra Uniform November Whiskey Quebec.
Auckland Tower, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, inbound on
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 5 right, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final.
Maintain 160 knots until 4 mile final, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Canaan 77 Heavy, line up and wait runway 5 right.
Line up and wait runway 5 right, Canaan 77 Heavy.
Jetstar 226, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite traffic on final. Canaan 77 Heavy, wind 140 at 10, runway 5 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Wilco, Jetstar 226.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 5 right, Canaan 77 Heavy.
Auckland Tower, Air Callan 410, inbound on the ILS runway 5 right. Air Callan 410, number 2, runway 5 right, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land, runway 5 right, Air Callan 410. Canaan 77 Heavy, contact New Zealand Centre on 127.0.
Contacting New Zealand Centre on 127.0, Canaan 77 Heavy.
200.
Auckland Tower, New Zealand 124, inbound on the ILS runway 5 right with information Quebec.
New Zealand 124, number 3, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Number 3, cleared to land, runway 5 right, New Zealand 124.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, when able turn left and contact ground, please expedite traffic on final.
Wilco, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Canaan 77 Heavy, contact New Zealand Centre on 127.0.
Contacting New Zealand Centre on 127.0, Canaan 77 Heavy.
Auckland Tower, New Zealand 124, inbound on the ILS runway 5 right with information Quebec.
New Zealand 124, number 3, runway 5 right, cleared to land.
Number 3, cleared to land, runway 5 right, New Zealand 124.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, when able turn left and contact ground, please
Wind 4, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
New Zealand 4 Heavy, turn left next taxiway. Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee, continue taxi.
Auckland ground, New Zealand 737 Victor.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
New Zealand 4 Heavy, continue taxi at your discretion.
Roger, New Zealand 4 Heavy.
Auckland ground, Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot, ready for pushback with information Sierra.
Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot, pushback approved. Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee, turn left next taxiway.
Pushback approved, Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot. Left on the next taxiway, Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee.
Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee, give way to aircraft on your left.
Give way to aircraft, Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, Oscar Kilo Yankee Echo Echo.
Oscar Kilo Yankee Echo Echo, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7. New Zealand 915, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7. Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, New Zealand 915.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, Charlie 6 Lima Juliet Yankee.
Auckland ground, Qantas 910 Heavy, ready for taxi to runway 5 right with information Romeo.
Qantas 910 Heavy, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 5.
New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, hold position.
Holding position, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
Airfield 410, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot, taxi to runway 5 right, contact tower when ready.
Auckland ground, New Zealand 124, request taxi to parking.
Taxiing to parking, Air Callan 410.
New Zealand 124, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, New Zealand 124.
Taxiing to runway 5 right, Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot.
Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot, turn left next taxiway. New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, New Zealand 737 Victor Golf Heavy.
United 1990, hold position. Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot, turn right next taxiway.
Right on the next taxiway, Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot.
Qantas 910 Heavy, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, Qantas 910 Heavy.
Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot, contact Auckland Tower on 118.7.
Contacting Auckland Tower on 118.7, Golf Tango Echo Lima Foxtrot.
Auckland ground, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee, request taxi to gate 21 of the domestic terminal. Holding position, United 1990. Taxiing to parking, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee. Thank you, good day, Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee.
Oscar Kilo Tango Oscar November Yankee, thank you, good day.
Auckland ground, New Zealand 111 Alpha, ready for pushback with information Sierra.
New Zealand 111 Alpha, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, New Zealand 111 Alpha.
Auckland ground, United 1990, ready for pushback with information Sierra, requesting runway 5 right.
United 1990, avoid sending duplicate messages. United 1990, pushback approved.
Pushback approved, United 1990. Auckland ground, Singapore 796 heavy, ready for pushback with information Sierra.
Singapore 796 heavy, pushback approved.
Auckland ground, TAM 827, request taxi to parking. Pushback approved, Singapore 796 heavy.
TAM 827, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, TAM 827. Auckland ground, Qantas 3212 Super, request taxi to